Keep it simple. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Mexican dish that's perfect for any weeknight dinner: chicken fajitas. This recipe is so easy and flavorful, and it's a great way to get in some veggies and protein all in one dish. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced into thin strips. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced. 1 onion, sliced. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Juice of 1 lime. Flour tortillas, for serving. Optional toppings: shredded cheese, sour cream, avocado, cilantro, salsa. Instructions: begin by mixing the spices in a small bowl: chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken strips to the skillet and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until browned on all sides. Add sliced bell peppers and onion to the skillet with the chicken and cook until they are tender and slightly charred, about 5 to 7 minutes. Sprinkle the spice mixture over the chicken and vegetables and toss to coat. Squeeze lime juice over the top and stir to combine. Serve chicken fajitas hot with warm flour tortillas and your choice of toppings. Optional: you can marinate the chicken strips in a mixture of lime juice, olive oil, garlic, and salt for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours before cooking for extra flavor. And that's it. This chicken fajitas recipe is so easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes like this one.